Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. So yes, I've been off air for quite some time. I don't plan on getting into a regular routine with videos. We will continue to provide videos and keep some updates. I do have some updates to provide on the car, but overall just been super busy. Videos about I'm adding a OSC. It's a J L oil separator to the car now. What's on there on the passenger side is a a JLT separator. And when I went to look for a JLT, so apparently JLT doesn't exist anymore, and I believe they were bought out. So let me show you the separator. This is the old separator that's on now, and the new one is similar, slightly different label, still black. It's slightly larger, and we're gonna put this one on the driver's side. So most of you guys watching probably already know why you need a oil separator, and we'll go ahead and explain that. And it's doing just that. It's separating the oil from your intake air. So the PVC valve, your engine builds pressure, and it's going to build more pressure if you're supercharged or if you have more compression, and it pushes that crankcase pressure out and it gets sucked up through your intake, and it mixes with the air and the gas to your combustion chamber. And what happens is, you'll coat your valves, you'll coat your intake walls, you can even coat your supercharger augers, if you will. So it's not ideal. By putting a separator on there, again, it's pulling the heavy particulate matter out, which is going to be the oil. The oil is going to drop down, and it's going to pull the air, and it's basically cleaning that for you. And it's going to give you a cleaner air to your combustion chamber to where you're going to get more efficient burn, which means horsepower. Now, it may not be a lot of horsepower, but when you're trying to squeeze as much horsepower out of an NA car, we need all the help we can get. We're going to show you how to put this on. Very simple. Now, this is what the bracket looks like. As I said, it's going to mount to your strut cross support there, and it should be all right. Maybe eventually I'll get another one to match, but for now, I'm fine. This nut is a 13 millimeter or a 1/2 inch to cross reference. I'll actually go on sideways. The picture showed something slightly different. I'm sure it had a different strut tower brace. We'll check those later, where they're at in foot pounds, and where they're supposed to be, but we'll get that, we'll get it checked. So we're gonna go ahead and get this mounted first, and then adjust our hoses to where they need to be. It's kind of a little bit awkward. So lastly, one of the things I noticed, I don't like the way it sits in relationship to the this separator, but it looks like it's sitting high, and hopefully we'll have hood clearance. So that's one thing I'm going to check right now to make sure. It looks pretty close. And yes, we are hitting our hood. So this is a big problem with buying parts and letting them sit on your shelf for too long, because it's already been, I've probably been sitting on this for 3 to 4 months. I can't return it. So when you buy stuff, make sure you test it. Get it put on right away, and in case you have to return it. In this case, I can. So for now, I'm just gonna put some pressure on it pulled that bracket down some. As you can see, it made an indentation here. Eventually, rubbing, driving, shaking, it's gonna wear a hole in it, and we don't want that. So in this case, for this style, it's not ideal for a Boss 302. I don't know if it fits better on any other S197 Mustangs, but not knocking OSC. I'm just saying, yeah, it's a watch out. So we're gonna get it off, put it in the vise, bend it down, see how it works. We'll go from there. So we just got some heavy duty paper towel. We doubled it up, got some flat sock, and just to keep it from getting scratched, and we're just gonna bend it forward. All right, got it back on. You can see where now it drops back just below that strut tower there. So it looks like we're good. The only other issue now, to be honest, is you just can't get in there. I mean, you can. It's just gonna be a little difficult getting that canister off. Again, I don't think it's a great product for the car. This wasn't meant to be any type of review or knock. I had no idea I was gonna get into this. I was just clearing my stuff off the shelf, and it's like, well, I might as well put this on. It's gonna take 10 minutes. I thought, well, let's do a video to the why, and come to find out, you know, it's good information. I mean, you guys out there looking for an oil separator, I don't recommend OSC, just because of the way it fits on the car. So that's a wrap, guys. I mean, that's it. It is what it is, and I have to move on. I got too many things going on. I will get you guys updated for the Tremec shifter vibration. I had some good tips from Dave, who's a buddy of mine with the badass. I fell in love with this car, the badass thumping Kona Blue 12 Voss 302 with Todd Warner cams. The thing's a monster. So anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day.